Pulwama attack, February 14, 2019. Pulwama district, Jammu Kashmir. The day, amidst the cold mountains, a convoy of around 78 CRPF vehicles was heading towards Srinagar, carrying the soldiers who protected the nation. Some were talking to their wives, some to their children over the phone. None of them knew that within a few minutes history would be written. At around 3:15 p.m. near Avantipura, a white Maruti car speed toward the convoy. That car was packed with 350 kilograms of RDX explosives. Within few seconds, a terrifying explosion happened. The sky filled with smoke, fire, and vehicles lay shattered everywhere. 40 brave soldiers lost their lives on the spot. It became one of the deadliest terrorist attacks in Indian history. The whole nation was in shock. Families, citizens were weeping. The nation cried out, "Justice for our heroes." The terrorist organization Jaish-e-Mohammed, based in Pakistan, claimed responsibility for the attack. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Indian government acted swiftly. On February 26th, the Indian Air Force carried out the Balkot air strike, crossing into Pakistan to destroy Jaish terrorist training camps. It was India's bold answer to terror, a declaration to the world: India will not remain silent against terrorism. The 40 soldiers who sacrificed their lives at Pulwama are the true heroes of India. Their names, their families, today they shine like lights across the nation. Their courage, patriotism, and unity are the true strength of India. The Pulwama attack taught us one timeless truth: some lives burn away to preserve our freedom. In that flame, our nation lives long. The sacrifice of those 40 brave heroes will remain forever in India's heart. Jai Hind.